We're just off Chinchin Road in Cunupia now, and the sun is just coming up, and we're gonna go Portugal picking. Tangerine, clementine, Portugal. What do they all have in common? Well, it's believed that they descended from 3 ancestors: citron, pomelo, and mandarin. So while there's some debate about tangerine and mandarin because genetically they're very similar, as of now, Portugal is still considered a hybrid of a mandarin. So while the parents would have originated in Asia, due to things like environmental factors, genetic mutations, and just natural breeding, basically every other type of citrus came into existence. And in Trinidad, we have bred or grafted this special hybrid of what we call Portugal. Portugal, or what Trinidadians like to call Prettygal or Pootiegal, has a very strong smell. You literally can't even sneak it in to, as a little snack without somebody knowing that you have a Portugal on you. And once you start peeling it, all the oils come onto your hand. So this is something that we can use when we start building the drink to get that nice aroma. So Portugal is really like a staple fruit in Trinidad. I don't really care for orange juice so much, but Portugal juice is amazing. And to be honest, you can basically swap out OJ for Portugal juice in any of your favorite recipes, and you're already on your way to making some amazing cocktails. Amazing. From our first batch, the juice that we got from that, we used that to make Portugal mimosas, we made Portugal daiquiris, we drank some of the juice just like that, and we used our dehydrated Portugal slices to make it look pretty. So the drink that I'll be showing you today is what we named Audrey. And Audrey is a little bit on the sweeter side, so it will be perfect to serve as a digestive, and you can have that up, or you can also have Audrey on the rocks. The key ingredient in Audrey is actually sorbet, which we've made from Portugal with a hint of basil. So sorbet is simply a combination of fresh fruit or fresh fruit juice and some sugar. So we started off with a simple syrup base. We added in the juice and then some Portugal zest. And after you have placed it in the freezer for a few hours, you end up with a nice bowl of fresh Portugal juice sorbet. So guys, we've shown you how to do a few things with your Portugal this season. We've shown you the Portugal mimosa, also the daiquiris and the muddle drinks, and we have created the Audrey. Definitely check that out, try it out. Visit the blog for more info, as well as the Instagram page, and let us know what you come up with when you try your own experiments this Portugal season. That's it for this episode of Decanted, and see you next time.